shit. There's a huge accident right here too.
Okay. So the bee is letting
Can you
off.
take your truck over and jump in?
I don't know. You trying to start it, Rowan Jackson?
No, I don't want to turn on the power.
Then you go turn on the power.
Hey,
Hey.
can you take your truck over and jump in?
Alright, they're gonna see if it can start now. Rona, why you keep messing with the bee?
Hello?
No.
Hello?
Yes, that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to find cables.
Alright, call me later. It'll happen to you.
Okay. Jackson,
Yeah.
go disconnect the battery for now. Turn off the power up here. So this bee came in the car while we were driving, and Rowana freaked out and threw her backpack through the window in the rain. So we picked up back the backpack, and I guess the bee was still on it, and he can't fly because he was so soaking wet. So now he's unloading his pollen off his foot, slowly taking it off, rubbing it off, so that he can fly, because first he couldn't walk, now he's able to walk again. And see,
I go to the truck.
he's cleaning off the pollen off his foot, so he's lightening the load so that he can fly. You see how he lightens the load off? His wings is moving a little better now because he's more dry. See all the pollen on my finger? And when I try to put him off onto a countertop or onto a book, he doesn't want to. He's comfortable on my skin. Unloading, unloading, unloading. Whatever he's doing is causing a vibration in my blood vein. My blood vein is pulsating. My blood is pulsating to whatever he's doing.
Daddy?
Yes, baby?
What does pulsating mean?
I can feel my blood going up and down towards his movements. Wow, it's amazing how much it affects my bloodstream.
I see some honey.
It's not honey, baby, it's pollen. He's letting off the pollen off his hind legs.
Is it honey and pollen the same thing?
No, pollen is like flour, like powder. Honey is liquid.
Okay.
Alright, I was trying to get him off of me. But he's not getting off. Oh, the pulsation stops now.
Is he pooping on you?
He's trying to get rid of the pollen.
So he's never going back to the queen again?
So what he's trying to do, drop off some of the load. Soon be time. Is he eating your marshmallow?
Yay!
Maybe we should go for one of them strawberries for me.
Okay. You're gonna give it a strawberry?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why are all the strawberries so white?
Because they're spoiling, baby. Carrot, come to give the bee.
Okay.
Yeah, those are spoiled strawberries. Alright, go for the whole thing of strawberry. Let's put him in there.